Hello everyone, welcome to our cooking in a mug segment. Today we're going to be making pizza in a mug. And so what you'll need to make your pizza in a mug, first you're going to need a mug to cook it in, a microwave, and our ingredients. So you need 5 tablespoons of flour, all-purpose flour, or whatever kind of flour you would like. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon of salt. So those are all your dry ingredients. You're going to put those in your mug first, which I already have those in my mug. And you want to go ahead and I stirred mine up already. And then you are going to add your milk, your wet ingredients. You have milk and oil are going to be our 2 wet ingredients. And you need 4 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of any kind of cooking oil. So olive oil, vegetable oil, or canola oil, and I have canola oil here. And you put that together in your mug, which I already have mine mixed up. And it gets kind of doughy, like a doughy consistency. You can see a little bit on my fork here. And you mix all that up. I evened it out on the bottom of my mug, and now we're going to put it in the microwave. You put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 15 seconds. All right, so while that's cooking, once our the dough is cooked and ready, it's going to be like a deep dish dough. It's going to be kind of thick. And so we're going to put on our pizza toppings. So next, usually you put on some kind of a sauce, and I have regular pizza sauce here. And I'm going to put a couple tablespoons on top of my dough. It'll be my crust at that point. It'll be baked, and then I have cheese to sprinkle on top of that. What are some of your favorite pizza toppings? Maybe pepperoni, ham, bacon. What about pineapple? You can put pretty much anything you'd like on top of your pizza. It will be extra tasty. And I'm just keeping it simple today, just doing my pizza sauce and my mozzarella cheese. You can use different kinds of cheeses as well. All right, our crust is cooked, and I'm gonna put my sauce on next. You can put on a little or a lot. Since this is a pretty deep dish pizza dough, I would put on a little bit more. And we could sprinkle on some cheese. You can use any kind of cheese again that you would like. All right, and then we're gonna stick it back in the microwave and let it melt. Maybe about another 30 seconds or so. Put that pizza sauce on there. You may want to cover your mug, or you could have an explosion of sauce in your microwave. But I think I got enough cheese on top of mine that it'll be okay. So you'll warm it up just enough to melt the cheese and warm up your toppings. Let it cool and go ahead and enjoy your pizza. So I hope you had fun cooking with us today with our mug challenge. Making our pizza in a mug. And if you would like the recipe, I can email it to you. Go ahead and email me, hcoolman@seolibraries.org, and I can send you that recipe. Until next time, have a good day.